Starting a security company in the UK is a lucrative venture, given the growing demand for protection services. Whether you're looking to offer security guard services, CCTV surveillance, or specialized protection services, this step-by-step guide will help you understand the process of launching a security business. Step 1. Narrow down your niche. The security industry covers a wide range of services, so it's essential to narrow down your focus to one or two specialties. Common security services in the UK include security guard services, CCTV surveillance, alarm monitoring, cyber security, close protection, and security consultancy. Choosing a niche will make it easier to market your services and attract the right clients. Ideally, you should have some experience or qualifications in your chosen field. For instance, if you worked as a door supervisor or security guard, you can build a business around those services. If you're new to the industry, consider taking relevant training courses, such as those approved by SCA-approved providers. Step 2. Obtain the necessary SCA licenses. In the UK, the Security Industry Authority, in short SCA, regulates the private security industry, and any company offering licensable security services must ensure their staff are properly licensed. You'll need different licenses depending on the services you offer. For example, security guard services require an SCA security guard license. CCTV surveillance services require a public space surveillance license. And close protection services require a close protection license. Most of the time, you need to get a license for each type of licensable activity that you do. For example, if you work as a security guard and as a CCTV operator, you would need separate licenses for both. However, there are licenses in which one licensable activity allows you to perform activities covered by others. If you plan to work as a security operative yourself or hire others, you'll need to ensure that everyone has the appropriate license. Licenses can be obtained by completing a license-linked course and passing the necessary assessments. Additionally, if you're the company's director or manager and you supply security operatives, you may also need a non-frontline license, even if you're not actively involved in the day-to-day operations. You can find a link for the SCA website in the description of the video. There, you can check whether you need a license. You can also apply for a license and search for license training providers. Step 3. Define your business model. Before officially starting your business, you need to decide on your business structure. There are a few options available. First option is to buy an existing security company. This allows you to acquire an established brand, client base, and staff. However, this can be costly and may come with existing liabilities. Second option is a franchise model. Joining a security franchise allows you to operate under an established brand, giving you access to pre-existing customers and a proven business model. However, this model may require an upfront investment. Your third option is starting from the scratch. Building your own company from the ground up is the most cost-effective option, but it requires you to handle everything from branding to training and from marketing to hiring. Step 4. Register your company and get insurance. If you're starting your own company from the scratch, the next step is to register your Ltd company with Companies House. You'll need to provide details like your company name and the standard industrial classification code that reflects the security services you will offer. For more details on how to set up a limited company in the UK, I've got a full video that walks you through the process step by step, so be sure to check that one out. The link to this video is in the descriptions. And if you want to avoid the hassle of opening a LTD and just focus on growing your business, I recommend First Formations. They're the leading company formation agent in the UK, trusted by over 1 million businesses since 2014. They can get your company registered within 24 hours, and they also offer additional services like business address options and compliance support. You can find a link to their website also in the descriptions of this video. It's an affiliate link, which means I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for your support. Now, let's move on. Once registered, you'll need to secure the right insurance for your business. Security companies typically need the following insurances. 1. Public liability insurance. This insurance covers claims from third parties for injury or property damage. 2. Employer's liability insurance. This insurance is legally required if you plan to hire staff. 3. Professional indemnity insurance. This protects against claims related to professional negligence. Step 5. Market your security services. To attract clients, you'll need a strong marketing strategy. Security companies, like any other business, thrive on a solid brand presence and customer trust. Here are some essential marketing steps. First, create a website. Your website should list your services, provide testimonials, and offer a way for potential clients to get in touch. It's essential for building credibility. 2. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to reach potential clients, post updates about your services, and build trust with your audience. 3. Advertise online. Consider using Google Ads or hiring a digital marketing professional to run campaigns that drive traffic to your website and generate leads. 4. Create content. Publishing articles or blogs related to security can help you attract organic traffic and position yourself as an authority in the industry. Step 6. Hire qualified staff. As your business grows, you'll need to hire qualified staff to help you manage operations and provide services. It's essential that any security personnel you hire hold the appropriate SCA licenses for their roles. You can advertise job openings on platforms like LinkedIn and conduct thorough interviews to assess candidates' qualifications and attitudes. The SCA also operates an approved contractor scheme, which offers a quality standard for companies providing security services. Joining this scheme can boost your credibility and help you attract more clients. Keep in mind that ACS accreditation applies only to specific licensable activities and not the company as whole. You can apply for ACS approval from the same SCA website I mentioned earlier, so navigate there through the link in the description. Step 7. Keep your company's records in order. As a limited company operating in security industry, maintaining accurate records is essential for ensuring compliance with Security Industry Authority and Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. Make sure to keep detailed records for your employees' licenses and qualifications. Furthermore, track financial transactions, including any fees collected for your services. You need to also maintain a register for people with significant control, such as directors or shareholders. It's advisable to hire a professional accountant or legal advisor to help you manage these records and ensure you're meeting all the compliance obligations. Step 8. Stay compliant with the UK law. In addition to adhering to SCA regulations, you must ensure your business complies with other UK laws, such as data protection and health and safety legislation. Regular audits and updates to your company policies will help you stay on track. Finally, remember that starting a business is a long-term commitment and success may take time. By following these steps and staying resilient, you can build a profitable security company in the UK. With demand for security services rising, now is the perfect time to enter the market. I wish you the best luck with your business journey.